Good day, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to post your video to your community after uploading your video on YouTube, and the essence of you doing that. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So guys, to do this setting here, this is my home tab. So I will view my channel from here and choose the video I want to share to my community. So I will try this one. Someone please talk to me? Should I quit YouTube? So this is a video. This is a current video I uploaded on YouTube. You can also go and check it. So I will click on this video here. I'm quitting. I'll click on the video. So from here I have share, remix, download, save, report, and all of that. So what you're going to do now is you click on share. From share, you see share to Facebook, X, WhatsApp, Gmail, and so on. So you click on create post. From this create post, this where the work is done. And here they say post something publicly, type add to mention a channel. Have you seen it? So here you can type anything in here to mention a channel, or to notify your subscribers that you have uploaded something. So you can write anything here. So in this video I talked about quitting YouTube, so I'll just type watch the reason why I said something like that. So you can put any word of your choice depending on what your video is all about. So this is it. See you guys at the other side of the screen. So thank you for watching the video. I promise to tell you the essence of you doing that after posting. The essence of you sharing your post to your community is that, number one, it's to tell the YouTube algorithm that, as something went on, so they will be notified. And when people visit your channel new, some people might go to your community to search for to check what you post there. Probably they will see the video and click on it, and it will take them back to your video. Have you seen it? And also, it will make your video go more viral. Yeah, it will make you go more viral, because it will trigger the YouTube algorithm that something has happened. So this is it. I guess you love the video. Sorry, it was simple and short. I have to do it this way because to save your time and energy. So thanks for watching. Please, if you're the first time watching me, subscribe to my channel, turn on notification button so each time I post you'll be the first to watch. And also don't forget to like, comment, drop your comments. Anywhere you're confused, I'm here to guide you. And also share the video. I love you all. You can also check on other of my videos to see my daily videos. I love you all. It's your boy Dream Big. Always try to dream big, no matter the condition. Dream big. Blue Lamborghini, that's one of my dreams. You know your dream, chase it. See you guys. I love you. Bye bye.